Hey there, do-it-yourselfers. Are you looking for a cost-effective way to keep algae out of your pool and without having to have crazy high chlorine levels and all the other toxic crap that the pool company tries to sell you? This mysterious blue thing that you may or may not have at your house and always been wondering what the heck it is because all the stickers always wear off of them is a great way to take care of that. I didn't know what these were up until this customer hired me 6 years ago to maintain his pool, then asked me to replace it. I had to take a picture of it, go to my supply house and say, what the heck is this thing? Once I put it in, then I did the rare thing that nobody does. I read the instructions. If you start these things up the proper way, run it for 4 days, and then let your chlorine levels drop, these things work great. I maintain this pool with 0.5 part per million of chlorine, while everyone else is usually 3 to 5. I never have algae. Never have any issues. Once I start getting a little smidge of algae here or there, I know it's either time to replace the filter or time to replace the cartridge. They're good for, they say 6 months. I've made these last about 10 months. As long as you maintain them properly, like they say to, maintain all of your chemicals, your pH, your alkalinity, calcium, all the rest of the good stuff. It's super easy, cost effective, and a nice water that doesn't have crazy amounts of chlorine in it. You can actually run your pool on 0.5 part per million. I'm in Florida. This is for real. I just wanted to show you, if you have one, I'll put the link in the description. If you have one, I just wanted to show you, this is what you get in the box, besides the instructions, obviously. You just unscrew this, unscrew it, see that problem? I should have ventilated the filter first. If you vent the air off of the filter, it won't be so hard to unscrew it. Sometimes it'll create a suction. This equipment is actually a lot higher than the pool, so it creates a pull on it. But once you get it out, chuck it in the box. Just screw the new one in. I've already put some lube on this O-ring. Good idea to put lube on the O-rings always. Make sure this thing is seated properly. Screw it down in there, and then they got this dial, and you just put it on, installed in August. If you don't have one and you want to put it in, you basically just put this thing on top of the pipe and you drill a hole. There's a rubber O-ring on the bottom of it that seals it up. Once you tighten these up with that hole, it's not going to leak. Super easy to install, super easy to maintain. Follow the instructions on how to start it up. You have to shock the pool, run it for 4 days. So what do you need to do to get ready for your pool for the Nature 2? Most pools just going to be at one of these. 2.5 gallons sodium hypochlorite. And you're good to go. Balance your water. Maintain at least 1 to 2 parts per million for 4 days, and you're good. Once that's done, you drop the chlorine level to 0.5 part per million. Make sure your water is balanced, and you will have a trouble-free pool. Hope this helped you. Look for the link in the description.